In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to add this PC icon to desktop in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until the best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. Now, by the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and locate with personalization, tap on it, and from here, please navigate to the third option, which is themes. So themes is being composed of different option, and it also has a related settings where it contains desktop icon settings and contrast themes. And since we're dealing with adding for this PC in the desktop, then we need to navigate with this forward arrow. Click on it, and from here you would be able to see this kind of window. Close the settings window first so that we can focus on this one. So that this PC is this, and all you need to do is you need to navigate with desktop icons, check computer, and once you have checked it, click on apply and then OK. In a few moments, it would be added here directly at the desktop, meaning we have succeeded on adding the this PC in our desktop. So this is good, especially if you would like to manage your computer. Just make a right click here, go with show more options, and in that way you can easily click on managed, where you can bring up the computer management window, where you can see all of the device manager, the performance, the disk management, services and application system tools, task scheduler, even event viewer, and more. Okay, so this is good for easy access. So once you're good, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.